it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today we're here with Yaksta, Walk Inside My Shoes. This is the music video. This is the audio. This is the official video. We done the audio track 5 days ago. So if you want to see if you want to watch that one, I will link it to at the end of this, where you can watch me breaking on the audio track. But this is the actual video, so I'm focusing more on the video on this one. All right, I did say if it did forward out, I will do a reaction to it. So I'm keeping my word. All right, so happy Father's Day as well to the fathers that are out there. So let's jump in the one here and hear where Yaksta go with in the video. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again! Let's go again!
Video breakdown.
Yeah, yeah, my leaders. See, if you know me cause about do tonight in the song, I know I feel like a change, I change. I just the harsh reality and sometimes when we talk it, so the fans them can comprehend. When I do this a trend, message. I say since lately, I'm feeling unworthy. Until you walk inside my shoes, don't judge my journey. I got issues lurking, cause inside I'm hurting.
So him phone a ring, she answer the phone. Obviously him in a one different room. She answer the phone, and him go in the film phone or whatever. So let's go.
Until you walk inside my shoes, don't judge my journey. I got issues lurking, cause inside I'm hurting. And I got nothing to prove, just live while learning. Visa no make you solid, cause I body some fuck and go foreign.
Yep.
No grudge a girl choose she get married. Her husband a shit in her forehead. The facade look real panogramming. Them devil none of them mentally. Never live by promise if it
Toxic relationship, abusive, and be a things. All right, she got through it. I'm not focusing on what Yaksta say. Like me say, if you don't want to see me do that, me I go link the video at the end of this one. All right, of me reacting to what Yaksta say. I'm reacting to the video itself now.
Some fuck and go foreign. No grudge a girl choose she get married. Her husband a shit in her forehead. The facade look real panogramming. Them devil none of them mentally. Never live by promise if it
Like him I say, yo, I'm gonna talk to you about that already, and then in box her, bro.
them devil none of them mentally. Never live by promise if it come for the fool, that means it don't honest. Give thanks that you.
Oh, don't tell me she's pregnant. She's pregnant with somebody like that.
If it come for the fool, that means it don't honest. Give thanks that you can have your views, them end it. Stop dear down your friend Alice. She a struggle with having miscarriage. And get abused till she almost married.
Oh shit. Yaksta me ask me the video about Jano dog.
She a struggle with having miscarriage. And get abused till she almost married. Yes, me rich but me endure challenge. Nobody feel all this a luck. Did have to carry burdens like Yaman. I say since lately, I'm feeling unworthy. Until you walk inside my shoes, don't judge my journey. I got issues lurking, cause inside I'm hurting. And I got nothing to prove.
That's why I behave so, because I have a different girl. That's why I behave so, my G. And I abuse a woman in your yard. And she pregnant, you never know she's pregnant. And you abuse her. Miscarriage I got come into play now.
Cause inside I'm hurting. And I got nothing to prove. Just live while learning. One of the least. If a girl left me now go lose sleep. She left and go search and still no find peace. Come on, assault all the none them a do it. Get him ready to get meat. Rad and be a girl.
She have enough. Or you have to bring woman in the house where you share with the woman no fam. You can't, you don't have no respect for her, like Like, that's the ultimate disrespect if you bring a next woman in your house where you're there with your wife. You know, it's my wife and husband still, but them live together.
None them a do it. Get him ready to get me. Rad and be a gal clock like his. Them swear me no miss through me clothes I repeat that my shoes got creases. I say since lately I'm feeling unworthy. Until you walk inside my shoes, don't judge my journey. I got issues lurking, cause inside I'm hurting. And I got nothing to prove, just live while learning. Words are like gunshot. When the leg of that city can't turn back, life's a journey. Intuition are my compass. When it bounce in the time, I'ma bounce back. Light is a person with love chat. Can't lose this year tight, no me dust.
She was married to him. She was married to him. She had to take out the ring off her finger after she stabbed him up because she killed him.
Cap. See who shelf me like rough tops. Dog me done chat. Say
Wash him. She wash her hand at the fuckery. Literally wash her hand at the fuckery where she been a got you with him, where she been a face with him. Him abuse her, him beat her up, him kick her down, him box her down, him bruise up her face, she lose the baby, then him go bring in girl in the house. That's the final straw for she.
Since lately.
That's the final straw for she, bro. Let me watch it out without stopping it now still.
See if you know me cause about out tonight and the song.
See if you miss anything.
I know I feel like I change, I change. I just the harsh reality and sometimes when we talk it. So the fans them can comprehend. When I do this a trend. Message. I say since lately I'm feeling unworthy. Until you walk inside my shoes, don't judge my journey. I got issues lurking, cause inside I'm hurting. And I got nothing to prove, just live while learning. Visa no make you solid, cause I body some fuck and go foreign. No grudge a girl choose she get married. Her husband a shit in her forehead. The facade look real panogramming. Them devil none of them mentally. Never live by promise. If it come for the fool, that means it don't honest. Give thanks that you can have your use. Them and stop tear down your friend Alice. She has struggled with.
Now let's stop it one more time, bro.
Get abused till she almost buried. Yes, me rich, but me endure challenge. Nobody feel all this a luck. Did have to carry burdens like Yaman. I say since lately I'm feeling unworthy. Until you walk inside my shoes, don't judge my journey.
Alright. Yes, I'm gonna stop it. You see that girl, yeah? Who am I talk to now? You see him nice and lovey-dovey with her and being Mr. Nice Guy. You see, once him get used to Shito, at the same treatment, him wife I go get like where she like where at the same treatment, she I go get like where the wife I get. So it's just a matter of time before him change from Shito. You see me? It's just a matter of time because I'm sure he was nice to the wife. That's why the wife decided to marry him because she thought that he was the one, but him turned out to be abusive and all of the above. So yeah, him change. He might change.
I got issues lurking, cause inside I'm hurting.
And I got nothing to prove.
Just live while learning.
Yeah.
One of the least, if a girl left me, nah go lose sleep. She left and go search and still no find peace. Come on, assault all the none them a do it.
One more time, stopping.
Get him ready to get me right.
Look how my girl cut. Look how my girl cut. Look how my girl cut.
Assault all the none them a do it. Get him ready to get me right.
Look how she gone. She not take no stab, you know. She not take no stab. She run gone in one different room, you know. But watch, you know. Me glad say, well, me not glad say she kill him, but enough is enough. Yeah, fuck you. Go on where you go. She, the wife, now go after the side chick, you know. She go after the man. The ladies out there, if your man give you a problem, don't go after the side chick, you know. Unless the side chick are your best friend who know your relationship, or you share, or you confide in her, and then she go do that, don't go after the side chick. Go after the man. Because remember I said, you and the man in a relationship, the man or your obligation, the side girl them don't owe you no shit. The side girl them don't owe you no obligation, yo. So go after your husband or your man at any given time. Ladies, I'm giving you that. Yeah. Cause you have some girl will love fight the other woman like say the other woman no. The other woman not owe your obligation. None at all. How your man do. Alright? So ladies, that's for you. From me. Alright?
Come on, assault all the none them a do it. Get him ready to get meat, rod, who and be a gal clot like his. Them swear me no miss through me clothes I repeat that my shoes got creases.
And I
say
say
since lately I'm feeling unworthy. Until you walk inside my shoes, don't judge my journey. I got issues lurking, cause inside I'm hurting.
yeah.
And I got nothing to prove, just live while learning. Words are like gunshot. When the leg of that city can't turn back, life's a journey. Intuition are my compass. When it bounce in the time, I'ma bounce back.
Yeah.
Light is a person with love chat. Can't lose this year tight to me dust cap. See who shelf me like rough tops. Dog me done chat. Say, since lately.
Great video. Great video. As always. As I said, I wasn't breaking down the lyrics because I'm done breaking the lyrics already. If you look right, so right now, you're going to see it. So just do the right thing and you will see it. You'll see it? Yeah. All right. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.